A short video of the new AFR 1200S that I've imported from the United States. Unfortunately, well, it was purchased with a fault, so it was for parts only, but on the way over it got dropped, so that made things even worse. Anyway, the damage was not that severe. Turned out to be just the heat sink fin at the rear got a slight bend in it, but the rest of the instruments seemed to be fine upon inspection. So I pulled it apart and made sure that everything was fine. It had a memory fault as well as a lock light fault, and what is common to these is the internal CMOS battery goes flat. So I replaced the CMOS battery with a replaceable one, not a solder one. So you can replace the battery, just put a little battery holder on the board, put it all back together, fired it up, and the memory fault had gone away, and so did the lock. So then we calibrated the instrument against my reference. I have a 10 megahertz GPS locked reference, so I use that. So we're currently looking at the output of the instrument at 10 megahertz, and so that's fairly good, and everything seems to be working fine. I'll go over to receiver, and let's see if I can find the radio station that I was looking at. Here we go. I'll put an antenna on it. Sorry about the jerky video. So that's receiving quite well. We'll use a spectrum analyzer.
So what type of bat will you nominate?
Okay, there's a spectrum analyzer. I'm currently using an amplifier to pick up the FM station. It's a 20 dB amp, so the noise floor on the spectrum analyzers come up slightly, but that's okay, that's working well. So this is a nice addition to my test equipment lineup. That's a Hewlett Packard with a modified clock of my own design. It's GPS referenced as well. And this is the HAMEG, which is made by Rohde & Schwarz. So this is my instrument lineup. This is my AFR spectrum analyzer with a tracking generator. Everything is good. Thanks for watching.